Still thinking of what or who to go as for Halloween, this Dr. Evil makeup is very easy to go and do, plus also it's fun and silly. So you're going to need a bald cap along with also some other makeup, so let's go and get started. For this makeup, I am using a latex bald cap. If you have a latex allergy, you can also use silicone as well. I just kind of realized though, when doing this makeup, that silicone kind of sits a little bit weird on the head, and the latex bald cap does work a lot easier, at least for me. But before you go and fully and totally secure this to your head, you want to go and cut some slits for where your ears will stick out, and now you're going to want to use some adhesive to go and stick it down. I am just using some Pros-Aide adhesive to go and stick this down, but keep in mind with liquid latex, you don't want to go and use that on a latex bald cap because you are never going to be able to go and use the bald cap again, and if you do want to use it again, you don't want to go and put that on the inner portion, and sometimes it just does not stick the best. Now follow up the sides with some liquid latex. After that is down, brush it with some powdered cosmetic. This is going to go and help you be able to use this again. Go to the corner of your eye. This is my right eye that I'm going and putting this makeup onto. And I'm also following it up with some rigid collodion. If you don't have rigid collodion, you can just use red cosmetic. While that dries, I'm using some flesh tone cosmetic, putting it over the bald cap, and then I'm going and blending it out. Make sure to use some sort of cosmetic or some sort of cover-up that is full coverage, because if you don't, then your hair is just going to kind of show through in some parts. And after that has dried, go back to your eyebrows, make them kind of spiky, and go and brush the bald cap with some powder. This is going to go and just make sure everything stays in place and doesn't rub off on anything. When you're done, your makeup should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.